So hello, today I'm at this wonderful property which is near the Bon Repos Abbey. It's a detached property with wonderful gardens and it actually backs onto the Doyle river. So you've got your own river at the bottom of the garden. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's all on the ground floor. It has a conservatory and also there's like a mezzanine space upstairs too. So come on, let's have a look inside. Taking you through the garden, so you've got access down here, some steps to the garden. There'll be further details on the land size in the description and also about the property. There's actually a well on the property which is great for watering your garden. You've got a selection of fruit trees just here. The current owners have done a wonderful job in terms of landscaping the garden. It's stunning. You have a greenhouse and a vegetable plot. I don't know if you can quite see over there, you have a detached garage which has got electricity, also a summer house and another sort of store for your logs or your pellets for your pellet burner. So I'm just going to go down to the river so I can show you the river in terms of proximity to the house. It's such a pretty garden, a pretty area, it's beautiful. So this is the river, so the river Doyle. From what I understand as well, you can actually catch trout in this river. Just imagine sat here in the morning or in an evening or any time of the day with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or a glass of wine and just listening to that. It's so tranquil, it's beautiful, so pretty. So the current owner said the water doesn't get very high in winter and the property is never flooded. So in the borders there's a number of bushes, plants, trees. It's really well designed. There's some gorgeous flowers. I don't know if you can see the flowers just here on the that are climbing around. Just here there's wonderful roses too. Beautiful rose. Some more climbing roses. And wisteria as well. And the flowers are just beautiful. They're very pretty. It's very quiet and calm in the area as well. So what we'll do, we'll go inside and have a look. So you've got conservatory to the rear. So the heating in the property, you've got fuel, central heating, also there's a pellet burner, and there's electric radiators in the bathroom, towel rails. And again, from the conservatory it goes into the kitchen. And again, the kitchen's very bright and airy. You can see with these big windows here and the patio doors on either end. And these doors lead to the front. Got an induction hob, and there's an electric twin oven. And there are the views over your garden. So you do have a double sink in here. You've got a sink just there, and also a sink here. And there's plumbing for a washing machine and a dishwasher, which then leads you through into the dining area. And then from the dining area, which is open plan, you've got the pellet burner. And then you've got a seating area as well, your lounge. So in the lounge, just off the lounge, you've got a newly renovated shower room with a hand basin, an electric towel rail, toilet, and a large shower. All the windows, it has double glaze, PVC. And then in the main bedroom, you've got patio doors overlooking the rear garden. And then also this comes with its own ensuite shower room. And again, you have electric towel in here too. So also on the ground floor, you have another bedroom, another double bedroom. And again, you've got large windows which lets lots of light in. And then upstairs you have a mezzanine area. So I'll show you upstairs. This is the mezzanine area. The current owners have put a bed just here for their grandchildren, and also at the other end, and they use it sort of like a craft room, hobby room, study area. So if you'd like further information on this property, please do not hesitate to contact Jane Doyle at Agence. Thank you. Bye bye.